Ingredients: 1 cup pineapple juice, 1 cup orange juice, 1 cup guava juice, a quarter cup grenadine syrup, 1 cup light rum, half a cup dark rum, a quarter cup coconut cream, juice of 2 limes, pineapple slices and maraschino cherries for garnish. Ice cubes. Chill ingredients. Ensure that all the juices and rums are well chilled before making the punch. Mix fruit juices. In a large pitcher, combine the pineapple juice, orange juice, and guava juice. Add grenadine. Pour in the grenadine syrup for a touch of sweetness and a vibrant color. Introduce the rums. Add both light and dark rum to the mix for a balanced kick. Incorporate coconut cream. Pour in the coconut cream to add a creamy texture and a hint of coconut flavor. Squeeze in lime juice. Freshly squeeze the juice of 2 limes into the mix for a zesty twist. Stir well. Gently stir all the ingredients together to ensure a thorough mix. Chill further, optional for an extra chill factor. Refrigerate the punch for 1 to 2 hours before serving. Prepare glasses. Fill glasses with ice cubes to keep the punch cool.